Hello from Canary Islands.
Hola! Today we're gonna tell you about Tenerife. So there is a straight flight from Helsinki to Tenerife and it's operated by Norwegian airline and it takes 6.5 hours. This time we tried like evening flight, so we left around 6 o'clock from Helsinki and we were here around 11 and we got to the apartment
Around 2 o'clock at night.
I mean, the flight went great. Honestly, that was the best flight with Sebi we ever had. So far. I mean, we didn't have to do anything almost with him. Like, he was so engaged with his cartoons, because we don't give him to watch any cartoons on a daily basis. So he was really looking forward to the flight when he can binge watch stuff. I was watching TV show as well the whole flight, Casa de Papel. If you've seen it, you know. You have to binge watch the whole thing. So that was great for me as well. So we arrived to San Andres late at night. It was 2 o'clock and the owners of the apartment were standing outside waiting for us. They reserved us a parking spot in front of the house and helped us to carry our luggage inside the house. And when we came in, like, the fridge was full of like food and snacks, and they even made us a soup and bought us bread and cookies because we came so late, and so we have something to eat for breakfast. That was just so super nice and kind.
It was a really nice surprise, like there is something to eat when we come there in the middle of the night.
And in apartment there is like everything you need, in a holiday even more than you need. It was like home away from home. Like, it was really, really comfortable. I can really recommend. It was a really nice house. We didn't film the house because we came there very late at night and tired, and Sebi was already crashing, so we all went to bed straight away. And then basically the next days it was kind of messy, so I didn't want to film it anymore. But there was a really nice view from the balcony and we filmed that. So when I was looking for the apartment where we can stay in Tenerife, I wanted to have like some quiet place, own apartment and the beach nearby, and hopefully some view. And of course not super expensive, so it should be affordable. And then I found this beautiful sand beach called Playa de Las Teresitas, and there is a very small town next to it called San Andres, and there was available apartment. I thought it was so nice because you can just walk to the beach with Sebi every day, and then Santa Cruz de Tenerife is just right next to it. It's like 20 minutes drive from there.
of the days we went up from San Andres to the mountains because I wanted to fly the drone a bit higher to take also photos and film from of the beach and San Andres. And then we wanted to just turn around the car and drive back, and we were just looking on the mountain road like some wider shoulder or just some spot to turn around, and we ended up turning from the main road, going down, and it's just the road just keeps going down and down and down, and there is no place to turn. And then we end up in a really nice cool beach, like just around the peninsula from this Las Teresitas, and there is another beach called Playa de Las Teresitas, and it's a black natural beach and really cool. Like it's just
between the mountains.
Yeah, it's between the mountains.
And the sand is completely black, this volcanic sand.
Yeah,
and of course, like almost all the beaches in Spain, it was very nudist, but they were like just a few people. That's what we like when we go in the wild beaches. There is just a few people there. There are no crowds. Of course, there is also the downside. There are no services. There is like no toilet, no cafes, no showers. But well, there was a trash bin. That was great.
Yeah.
That was like the best service you need at the beach.
That was really nice. It's all natural beach. Like there's not many people. Very, very quiet.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
So this has been our Tenerife video part 1. There are 2 more videos coming in the next weeks. So if you would like to see more about Tenerife, stay tuned.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.